One of the things you should know about installing a dash camera system is you have to keep your glass really clean. Otherwise, your camera can't see what's going on outside of the vehicle. Or if it does see it, it's going to be pretty blurry, or at night it's going to have a lot of artifacts in the image. So let's say you're using Mr. Clean here like I am. It leaves a film. Same thing with Simple Green, it leaves a film. Your best shot is glass cleaner if you really don't want to have a film. But here at the DFW airport, well, you got to live with the reality that you're breathing in diesel fumes all the time. And that's going to collect on your rear window. So for now, I'm getting rid of some of the diesel from the jets. That's airline fuel. It's going to be a little greasy. And yes, at night it leaves a few artifacts, but I don't always have a bottle of window cleaner handy. That's just how things are. You have to keep the glass pretty clean. Otherwise, things get all ugly in your video, especially up front here. I really got to clean that a lot more often.